The COVID-19 pandemic is still with us. In response to the pandemic, the Department of Basic Education issued a set of amended teaching plans for 2021. The adapted maths curriculum gives learners the opportunity to succeed by making the work as manageable as possible for them and for you, the teacher. The curriculum ensures that meaningful teaching and learning continues to take place, helps you to pace and sequence the curriculum content, and guides you in your planning for the different forms of assessment that must take place. For further reference, we also provide links where you can access the DBE's mediation plans that were drawn up for each grade. According to the revised teaching plan, these are the topics that need to be taught to grade 4 learners in the 4th term: perimeter and area of 2D shapes, perimeter and measurement of area, capacity and volume of 3D objects. In weeks 4 and 5, the learner should be given a chance to solve number sentences and do calculation problems using the 4 basic operations. There is also 18 hours allocated for revision before the learners complete the end-of-term formal assessment task. In grade 5, there are 3 topics for teaching in term 4. These are perimeter and area of 2D shapes, capacity and volume of 3D objects, and time. In weeks 6 and 7, the grade 5 learners are also given opportunity for solving problems using the 4 basic operations. 6 hours have been allocated for revision. The term ends with a formal assessment task based on all the term 3 and 4 topics. In grade 6, there are 3 topics that need to be taught in term 4. Maths, time, data handling. 12 hours are then allocated in weeks 6 and 7 for the learners to use the 4 basic operations to solve mathematical problems. Again, 6 hours have been allocated for revision, followed by a formal assessment task based on all the topics taught during terms 3 and 4. As the grade 7 learners find themselves in the senior phase of their GET education, they are required to calculate and solve problems at higher levels than the InterSen phase learners. They need to use the knowledge obtained in their previous grades to do the work expected from them in grade 7. The grade 7 topics for term 4 are area and perimeter of 2D shapes, surface area and volume of 3D objects, data handling. 7.5 hours have been allocated for revision of the term 3 and 4 work. As with the other grades, the formal assessment task will be based on all term 3 and 4 topics. Let's take a bird's eye view of the topics to be covered this term in each grade. Take note of what is similar and what is different. This table shows that both grades 4 and 5 are doing perimeter and area and capacity and volume. But what is different is the topics of time and 2D shapes, which must be done in grade 5 and not in grade 4. And please note the extensive amount of time given for revision in grade 4. The DOE clearly realizes that the children need help in catching up on learning not done in 2020. Time is a common concept for grades 5 and 6 maths classes. Grade 6s also do maths and data handling, which is not done in grades 4 and 5. Grade 7 has area and perimeter of 2D shapes in common with grades 4 and 5, and data handling with grade 6. Please note that grade 7s also have extensive time allocated for revision, 9 hours. Please use this time fully to help the learners catch up on lessons missed previously. The pandemic has resulted in children losing countless hours of teaching time, and it is important that we make use of every opportunity to help our learners master the topics allocated for the school term. Through careful planning, you will be able to teach and complete all the term 4 topics and have some fun in the process. We wish you well as you tackle teaching of mathematics in the 4th term. We have now reached the end of this video. Please remember to complete the online questionnaire on the link that follows. Once you have done that, continue to the next section of the workshop, which will be all about volume of 3D shapes for grade 6s and 7s.